Hey guys, what's up? So to issue the top investor tweets, August 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweak is called No Face ID Lock. So it moves the Face ID lock. This tweak is a theme called Morandi, and appreciate Morandi's painting world. Will first be attracted by his colors and tones. Never uses bright colors. His paints, every color black is gray, dark intermediate colors. So isolation seems to be no air color. After his clever manipulation, not only not dirty or stuffy, but it's shiny, looks elegant. So these features, and that's how it looks. This feature is called Little 12, brings iPhone X features and more to devices running iOS 14. So you have all these features right here. This feature is called Dots 2, as a pulsing color match notification dot to your iPhone lock screen. You have these settings and features. This feature is called Perfect Spotify, and also an enhancement to your Spotify application. This feature is called LibHooker, general purpose injection and hooking library for 64-bit devices. This feature is called Preference Loader, and load preferences in style. So Preference Loader is a mobile substrate based utility, allows developers to add entries to the Sense app. Some of the Sense bundles apps store apps use. This feature is called Darkcord, and allows you to set custom colors in Discord. This feature is called Resonance, and icons on made-up colors resonate into other layers, giving the icons a unique look. This feature is called Disk Probe, visually manage your device's storage. This feature is called I Got Ya, and it allows you to take a picture of their face if you have a front-face camera and get the location where your phone is. So it's like another protection for your iOS device. This feature is called Hulu Life by Hulu Over Knee. Hulu, no ads, requires the Hulu app from the App Store. So Hulu is known to have a really good price, but has a ton of annoying ads. This is why this tweak is really, really useful. So you can watch Hulu not have any ads. If it does not work, then you do have to downgrade. It does work. So you see it was updated 9 months ago. So you, if the latest version of Hulu does not work and has ads, just keep downgrading Hulu until you find a version that's working. Typically a version from 9 months ago for Hulu Life. This tweak is called Home Plus Pro, dynamic live home screen layout and intuitive UI. This tweak is called Crystal, and automatically switch between listening modes in certain situations. This tweak is called Online Notify, and it tells you when your friend comes online. This is for WhatsApp, so it tells you can notify when your friends come online on WhatsApp. This tweak is called Insta Online Monitor, and just like Online Notify, it gets notified when a user goes online or offline on Instagram. It does cost $2.49, supports iOS 9 to 13. So just these are the features you have with this tweak. Just realize that they will not work on everybody. So for some people, it might not work on. But yeah, pretty cool. This feature is called Emoji Port iOS 5.1, and latest emojis for iOS 5.1. This feature is called Mishusha Forever, and a real-time audio visualizer for now. So let's display wave, bar, line, Siri, and dot styles audio visualization inside apps such as Apple Music and Spotify. This feature is called GPS Master, allows you to fake your iOS GPS location. Also can simulate moving between 2 points on the map, so you can fake you actually driving somewhere or going somewhere. This is called TF No Crash Alert. Disables the excess crash alert that shows after an app which downgraded from test flight crashed. This is called Clean Home Screen, and removes all the clutter from your home screen. This is called Echo. Set a video as your wallpaper. This is called Checkra1n Global iOS 14, and if you do have the iOS 13 Checkra1n and older A13 or older iPhone, you may continue using it on iOS 14. For those receiving the single 9 error problem, which with the latest version of Unc0ver, so you do have to restore your root FS or use a session to restore your device, and then we do the jailbreak that fits that. So it has support for AT&T. So right now, iOS 14 supports AT&T and T-Mobile. Next week is called No Blur. She's called Emoji Attributes, various under-hood fixes for emoji display. She's called AJB, hide jailbreak from your phone and apps. So it helps try to prevent you from getting banned in like PUBG, Snapchat. So it hides the jailbreak from the application server. Has support for most banking applications. So like I said, it doesn't stop like the tweets from injected into it, so you could still get banned, but it just hides the jailbreak. So as long as no tweets are injected with it, so if you turn all the tweets off for that certain app or game and you have this turn on for it, you should be good. This is called Power Cuff. Supposes S to him power throttle modes for better battery life.